Open a photograph that you would like to adjust. Your Layer Adjustments panel is located above the Layers panel. I've just unlocked my photograph. I'm also going to duplicate it. What I'm pointing out here are the shortcuts to all the layer adjustments, and when you hover over them, you can see the name. If your Adjustments panel is missing and you can't find it, I'm going to show you where you can find it in the Window menu. So you click on Window, then Adjustments, and it will show up. I closed mine so you could see that it's closed, or you can open it. Your adjustments are also located under the Layer menu, under New Adjustment Layer. They're all listed right here. Today we're going to focus on turning this train into a high key image by changing it to black and white. The black and white filter allows you to isolate specific colors within your photograph and change them to the shade of gray that you prefer. You can also move that panel so you can see your entire picture, which is what I did here. I'm still kind of just playing with the colors a little bit. Again, I'm going for a high key look, so I'm going to really try to brighten up the sky here, as well as create some contrast between the train and the components. The beautiful thing about a layer adjustment is you can change the opacity of it on top of your other layers. You also can change the blending mode effect as well. It just gives you more options. The other benefit of a layer adjustment is that you do not have to apply it to the entire picture. You could just apply it to part of your image. What I'm doing here is adding an exposure layer adjustment to continue to play with the level of contrast. The non-destructive editing is when you edit your image without truly altering the pixels on the original photograph. So the whole idea of layer adjustments is that they go on top of your image. They are on a different layer, so you can always go back to your original file if you prefer. The other wonderful feature of a layer adjustment is that you do not have to apply it to the entire layer. So again, I'm going for a high key look here, so I'm going to go ahead and use a white paintbrush tool and try to get rid of this building in the background. So I'm increasing the size of my airbrush by using the bracket keys on the keyboard. One bracket key enlarges a brush, the other bracket key makes it smaller. So I'm just trying to omit background distractions here. Then I'm going to have a little cleanup work to do around the edge of the engine. And then when I'm finished and I'm happy with what it looks like, I'm going to go ahead and save my image as a Photoshop file in case I want to go back and adjust the layers. And then I'm going to File, Save As, and export it as a JPEG. So the layers then are flattened. It is one complete image that is compressed that anyone can see or use, and it's easy to publish or share. Thanks for watching.